Good day everyone. For this video, we will be discussing the different provinces comprising Region 5 or Bicol Region. Bicol Region is a part of the Luzon Island Group. The regional center is Legazpi City. It is composed of 6 provinces, 7 cities, 107 municipalities, and 3,471 barangays. The following are the different provinces comprising Region 5 or Bicol Region. We have the province of Albay, the province of Camarines Norte, the province of Camarines Sur, the province of Catanduanes, the province of Masbate, and the province of Sorsogon. Once again, the regional center or the regional capital is the city of Legazpi in the province of Albay. Bicol Region is bordered by the following. We have the Philippine Sea, Sibuyan Sea, Visayan Sea, Masbate Pass, Ticao Pass, Burias Pass, and the San Bernardino Strait. The provincial capital of the province of Albay is Legazpi City. It is composed of 3 cities, 15 municipalities, and 720 barangays. For the province of Camarines Norte, the provincial center or the provincial capital is Daet. It is composed of 0 cities, 12 municipalities, and 282 barangays. For the province of Camarines Sur, the provincial center or the provincial capital is Pili. It is composed of 2 cities, 35 municipalities, and 1,063 barangays. For the province of Catanduanes, the provincial center or the provincial capital is Virac. It is composed of 0 cities, 11 municipalities, and 315 barangays. The province of Masbate has Masbate City as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is composed of 1 city, 21 municipalities, and 550 barangays. For the province of Sorsogon, we have Sorsogon City as the provincial center or the provincial capital. It is composed of 1 city, 14 municipalities, and 541 barangays. And that is all about the different provinces comprising Region 5 or Bicol Region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.